At Scube Wealth Grid, we're unpacking one of the most talked about events in U.S. property this year, the Florida real estate crash of 2025, a correction that has shaken investor confidence and challenged long-held beliefs about the state's booming housing market. For years, Florida was the poster child of post-pandemic real estate euphoria, driven by low interest rates, an influx of remote workers, tax migration from states like New York and California, and a flood of institutional capital betting big on rental demand. But by mid-2025, cracks began to show. Skyrocketing insurance premiums due to climate risk, over-leveraged developers, oversupply in key markets like Miami and Tampa, and a spike in interest rates created a perfect storm. Many buyers, especially first-time and short-term investors, found themselves underwater as prices dipped 15–30% in some areas, and cash flow projections on Airbnb units evaporated almost overnight due to increased regulations and declining tourist demand. Commercial landlords were hit even harder. Rising vacancy rates in retail and office spaces combined with refinancing risks exposed by expiring low-rate loans triggered forced sales and value write-downs. What went wrong? Fundamentally, the demand wasn't as sustainable as many believed, and the supply, both in condos and rentals, outpaced real end-user absorption. Additionally, climate events, like stronger hurricanes and rising flood zone costs, made both insurance companies and buyers pull back sharply. The result? Florida's once red-hot real estate market became a cautionary tale about chasing growth without risk management. So, what's next? For long-term investors, this crash could offer a rare entry point. Distressed assets, foreclosures, and motivated sellers are increasing, especially in overbuilt zip codes. But caution is critical. Investors must analyze micro-markets, stay liquid, factor in worst-case cash flow scenarios, and watch legislative changes around short-term rentals and climate zoning. As always, those with a disciplined strategy, not emotional FOMO, will come out ahead. At Scube Wealth Grid, we're here to help you decode not just the aftermath of Florida's correction, but how to position for recovery and navigate real estate cycles with clarity, conviction, and long-term vision.